Hello guys, welcome to Flutter Coderz. In this tutorial series, we can learn about that programming language. No matter if you are new to programming or not, if you follow along with me, then I'm pretty sure you can master it. When you're thinking about programming, first question comes in your mind, what is programming? There are countless definitions of what computer programming is, but in simple words, programming is a way to telling computer how to do a specific task. This happens by programming language, which help us to interact with computer and give them instruction of a task. Let's jump into what is Dart. Dart is an open source programming language developed by Google. It released in 2011. It's similar to JavaScript. Basically, Dart is a static type language, but it also supports dynamic type. Let's understand few key factors that makes Dart special. Compatible fast on package manager, formatter, just-in-time compiler and various compilers. Pause the video and read more about it. Another question comes in your mind, where can I use Dart? Dart is a general purpose programming language and you can use it for almost anything like web, server, console, mobile application like Android and iOS. That's it for this video. If you're new to this channel, then consider subscribing and set bell notification to all so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for coming. Also check out my other social media accounts, links in description. Here I'm posting similar content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.